ILIFE V3's Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Tangle-free Suction, Slim, Automatic Self-Charging Robotic Vacuum Cleaner, Daily Schedule Cleaning, ideal for pet hair, hard floor and low-pile carpet. With a tangle-free pet hair care technology, focuses on picking up hairs, dirt, debris on hard floors. Low-profile designed to clean under beds, furniture where dirt hides. Ideal for hardwood, tile, laminate or stone. Self-charging, programmable schedule, smart sensors for anti-bump and anti-fall. Runtime 90-100 minutes. Easy operation with remote control, or one-touch auto-clean button on robot. Tip: easy maintenance, empty dustbin and clean the filter after each use. Replace filter every month.